how to download Get for Windows in VS Code. So as you can see, I'm within my VS Code and I have Get installed. Okay, so as you can see, I can use Get right from VS Code. So let me show you step by step how you can also get in VS Code. So what you have to do is simply go to Google and then simply come and search for Get download and then hit enter. Once it comes, come and select the official site of Get by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Get platform. Okay, and over here you have the option to come and then download it for this operating system. We have Mac, we have Linux, we have Windows. Come and select Windows by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the latest installation. So we have the standard installer. Okay, so you can come and select the standard installer, and then we have the other versions as well. Okay, but what I want to show you is that when you look over here at the top, you see that we have the latest downloader. Okay, so you can simply come and then click here to download the latest one. So when you click it, you see that it will download it for you. Just allow it to finish downloading, and after that you find the setup just like this from your download. Come and then install it. Okay, so after going through the installation, come and then search for CMD from the search. Select the command prompt and then come and check the version of it by simply typing get space dash dash version just like this. Then you hit enter. So when you hit enter, it's going to display the version. Okay, so this is the version that I'm using right now. So it simply means that I have successfully installed the Get on my system, and then open the VS Code. And when you open it, you are going to find this symbol added. That is the Get symbol. That is the source control. It simply means that you have successfully linked the Get to that of the VS Code. Okay, so it will link it automatically for you. You don't have to do anything. Right after you install the Get and then you opened the VS Code, it will automatically sync it for you. You can start using it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.